Warm greetings to you all and welcome back again to another video. Hope you guys are doing well. If today is your first time of seeing this channel, thank you for clicking on it. In today's recipe, we are making Gari, or what we normally call Gobe. So let's get into the video. In my pot, I will add 2 cups of black eye beans which I have soaked for overnight. I will stir and cover. So after 20 minutes, I will just stir again and add my grated onion, which is optional. So I'll let this boil for some minutes before adding my salt. After some minutes checking on the beans again, I will just give a quick stir and then check how soft our beans is. As you can see, it is very soft, so I went ahead to add my salt. So you can actually add the salt to your taste. If you want more salt, that is up to you. So I'll just give it a stir and cover it. Okay guys, after 15 minutes of adding the salt, our beans is all done, and if you are still watching up to this time, thank you so much. Please consider subscribing to the channel and also hit on the bell icon to get notified each time I post a video, and also like and share this video. And at this point, I'm just slicing my plantain, which I will fry and take with the beans. Okay fam, at this point I'm now frying my ripe plantain. I'm doing this on a medium heat, and after 10 minutes I will just turn it for the other side to also fry very well. Alright guys, so I'm now going to fry my Zomi. That is my red oil. I added some onion and also some habanero pepper, which is optional. You can omit it. So I will let this fry on a medium heat until it is translucent. And after 10 minutes, this is how it looks now. This is perfect. This is how I want it to be. So I will just take it off and serve my beans. Fam, this is the final outcome of our Gari, aka Gobe. This is so simple and easy to prepare with just some few ingredients. And thank you so much for watching up to this point. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share this video, and also comment on this video. Till then, see you in my next video.